All right, wackos, because at least one of you demanded this, let me show you how I do my matcha latte. What you're looking at now are all the basic raw materials. You have your matcha tea. I showed that and explained it yesterday. The measuring spoon to put the matcha in. This is a measuring cup for the liquid. For liquid, I am using the soya milk barista variation. This is important that you use barista because else it won't foam. If you want to use oat milk like some of you are fond of, I don't know if there's a barista version. I don't give a damn. I don't drink this stuff. It's your problem. But you want to have something that's going to foam, and soya barista will do that. Now, very important, this soya drink has to be refrigerated. You don't use warm stuff with this. I can't exactly tell you why. I just know it is not done. So this should be refrigerated. So first thing we're going to do is remove the top from our device. That's what it looks like inside. And now we're going to pour the soya barista into our measuring cup. I want to have about 200 milliliters. There we go. And we dump it into our magical device here. Right. Now let's get our matcha tea. There's our matcha down inside there, you know, and go in here with our spoon. And whoops, that's too much. Yeah, I'm a pro at this. There you go. See, you see the spoon? That's one level spoonful. Put it in here and in it goes. Just like that. All right, now that we have our matcha tea and our barista in there, pop the top on this, and then we're going to go down to the control wheel thingy here. You have to turn it to come on, and then we have to select the matcha thing setting. That's the matcha setting. And away it goes. And that'll take a minute or two to process, so let's wait for that to happen. Good, now it's done. So now that it's done, we'll pop off the top here. There's our matcha latte in there. And we're gonna pour it into our glass. Voila, matcha latte. Better than coffee. Thank you. Now get out of here.